Welcome everyone to live Forex analysis with me, MINDBLOWING. We are here. Very welcome to everyone that is new to this channel. If not, please, where are you so that we can teach you to become a better Forex trader? Today we're going to go through dollar pairs mostly, gold, oil, and whatever else you guys want us to do. Euro CAD, Euro Aussie seems to be very in the wind lately, so boom. Let's go! Trading Forex is risky and not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever has happened in the past doesn't need to happen in the future. So, trading Forex is risky, yeah, crude. You can end up losing all your money, so don't risk money you can afford to lose. Especially not your grandma's pension. Or your school fees. Or your family inheritance. Okay? Great. I'm just going to find my stream, listen to myself, listen to music, listen to how that is going. Okay, you don't have music. I have music on. I have, like, it's full party in my ears, so I'm wondering why you're not hearing it. Let's see if we can find the party. Where's the party at? Goes can you guys hear the party now? Okay, so let's go then. I want to be fast today, so if I do things very fast, I do apologize. I want to be efficient. So if you guys are coming in late now, seeing this at a later time, please give this a like, please give this a subscription, because I'm going to give you my free time, which I can use to make money instead of waste money. Also, my wife now doesn't get approval for new purchases, so it might be a win-win in the end. Yeah, she's the source of a lot of frustration, but also a lot of love. So please be kind to her. All right. Hello everyone. Please do Aussie. We will do Aussie straight away since we are the amazing person. Okay, so here we have. Let's do some. What do you call it? What do you call it? Counseling of how these things went down. Okay, I'm pretty angry with myself, but okay, we are good. Okay, we can be good on this one. Osisizono, I don't know what that is. Probably Spanish. Aloha, no. Ciao, no. Aloha. Bien morana. Bien mosta. Mucho gusto. Muy bien. Do I have anything else? That you know. Okay, so let's go through it. Weekly and monthly. Weekly, let's go to weekly. No, weekly. Monthly or weekly, great. So, what did I say back in February? I said 2nd of April. Probably. I haven't found proof, but somewhere I have said it. Okay, so 2nd of April, 2nd of April. That is 2nd of April. If I bought here, I should have been okay. I didn't. I bought a bit higher. I think I bought up here or something. I have to check later on. I guess it's in my Discord channel. Have I said it in my Discord channel where I bought? In my Aussie. Yeah, okay, so I bought around 76.10-ish. 76.10-ish. There I bought. And then I bought at 76.20. Like in this area here. So, where am I? Well, what am I wrong about? First of all, I want to be in entry here. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2 is 1st of April we have a low. I'm a bit angry that I just let that follow up and then I failed. Well, it can come all the way down here. So then I stopped here. I saw that as a new lower low yesterday. Okay, we're going to go down. The question then becomes, this is my, okay, I don't have anyone to talk to about my problems, about how I trade, so I use you guys, okay? We're going through this as a community. We are debunking this as a community. Where did we go wrong? What can we do better through me and my actual trading? So where would I then, what should I have done? I should have had an order, just because of the price of the central pivot. And I should have an order just because of the central pivot. And then I had that entry, and I don't really, what do you call it? I don't really regret that entry. I think it's a good entry as long as price goes higher. But we didn't. We went way lower. Okay, I was probably around break even at this point, and I didn't like it. Goes back up again. Okay, great. And then it comes lower again. And that's where I need to clean my pants, because I literally am break even again. The question now, is price gonna go lower and I'm gonna have -1, -2, -3, I don't know what it becomes even, percent, or just 1.5, whatever the amount. I'm just giving you amounts here for the fun of it. So if price goes down to here and I'm -3, for instance, do I want that? Is that how I trade? No. I want a continuation uptrend higher, and I want to buy, and I want to buy. Once it comes down again, I don't like that. I would call that a range. Okay? So since that is a range, I no longer have the market conditions I want to have. Now, what do you do then? I exit. That is how my rules are. The rules then that's my rules, and sometimes they save me, sometimes it's the worst of what you can get of me. Then, I want us to make a higher high. We have now got up 60 pips, and I would probably right now, instead of losing 1.5, and yes, your guru says that I'm losing money. Hello from Indonesia, Denny. I don't know anything Indonesian, but somewhere around. No, that's Thai. I don't know. Let's Google. Hi in Indonesia. Hi in Indonesia. I don't know. Maybe you guys speak some other languages. Just hi. Okay. Hi. Hey. And hi, and hi in Norwegian, just to make sure that everyone knows what that is. Norwegian, and then hi. That is, and then English. That is shark. So everyone, I'm just saying. So when you say hi in Norwegian, you're saying shark. So just a reminder. So what I do now, I have now got out at break even. I don't want to lose more. Okay, I lost 1.5, sorry. So I don't want to lose more than 0.15. It is across all dollar pairs, by the way. I have multiple entries on multiple currency pairs, and I'm out. And what do I do now? I can start buying again, but I'm in a range. I have classified, the reason why I got out was because of a range. So, then it come down to, what do we do now next, Ali? You are allowed to buy in this area. Yes, you are. But then you're getting entries in the middle. Okay. Is this a good entry? Probably not. But let's go to what is a good entry then. This is a good entry. This is a good entry. This is not a good entry, and everything then past this area is no longer good entries. Okay? I just want to make sure of that. So I just want a new higher high, pull back, and then we can go higher. Let us go for a ride. Let's go for a ride. If I told you to buy last year in April, 2nd of April, what would have happened here? And hold for 1 year, would you have believed me? Hello, Harold. Hi, everyone. You are going to bath and feed a little hungry person. Please go and do so. Do not. Please come and watch in the replay. I will surely be okay with that. Okay, so if I told you a year ago, would you then believe me as it will go higher? Okay, let's do the same test now. 2nd of April, if I told you to buy here, would you hold it for another year? Are you going to hold that for another year? You kept your positions and put myself at 76. Great. Right now, I would then say wait for a new higher high and then catch the pullback, whenever that is. If it's tomorrow or if it's next week. I don't know if it's when it is. But now we're just cautious, waiting to happen. The question then becomes, are we then going to be, what do you call it? Is it going to be explosive or is it just going to be slowly? I don't know. We have to be open for both. But since we are now below the moving average, seeming to make our ceiling, we're just waiting. The other question now becomes, in this area, did you lose faith that we're going to go higher? Because that's kind of the same thing. We are, generally speaking, just range. Did you lose faith in this area and the higher high? We still are not technically short, bearish on the daily time frame. At this point, we're just bullish the range. If it broke below this one, then yeah, we can then go lower. Why do I say that this is supposed to go higher? Look for the RBA and their interest rate projection. Where is interest rate going to go in Australia for RBA? Meaning, are they going to increase interest rates? That's the time you get out. Okay? When it comes to them saying they're going to change interest rates and increase interest rates, that's when this is dead. Until then, we are going to go higher. We are buying. That is my personal opinion only. Okay? Italiano, much. I do remember. So, Ollie, on the smaller time frame, yeah, keep buying. Stop loss below previous low. Just if you want to scalp it, great. Make sure that you don't suffer anything when it goes lower again. Until then, wait for it to break 76.70. Come back again and then back up again. All right, you're good on that, mate. We might have that kind of situation as well. So whenever we break out, we're going to shoot through the pivot points. Just saying. Where is the target for this month for Aussie? 78.50. So we have a good 200 pips left at this current moment. Okay, great. Target is 78. Come on, I can't even type today. It's 78.50. Okay, what else? So Hardik once told me that I didn't see his message. I do apologize in advance and in internal future if I don't see you. Go to gold. Muhammad says we can do gold since he said it first. I need to find my Italiano. Please do pound Aussie and New Zealand dollar. Okay, you left your two positions open. Great, fantastic. Ali, you are much better than me. Boom. Congratulations on that. 1949. Great. Okay, great. What is UC, Mario? You have to tell me what USD is. Is it USD CAD or is it USD Swissy? Good evening, Gunai. Good evening. Please, euro, dollar. Where did I want to go first? I want to go gold. Gold, gold, gold. Gold! What happened? What is going on? I today want to... I want to do an unboxing today with you guys, but they haven't shipped it yet. I want to be that influencer that... look at this. We have a box. We have a delivery by what do you call them nowadays? You call them UPC or Amazon. Just come by my door. DHL, you know, just delivering the package to my door. I can't believe it. What do you think is going to be? I don't know what's inside. This is so amazing. Are you really shopping that much? You don't know which package is coming to your house? Really? I track everything. I know exactly where things are at specific points, even though if it goes to Kenya, if it goes to Oman, if it comes from Oman even, I will track the living bone out of that thing. Okay? I want to know. I will be ready like a kid on a Christmas Eve. But yeah. So, we had a couple of 2 days ago, I think it was. I think I said 1736. I was 37. I would take it to 36. Okay. Great. And you got that price. Okay? Great. Gold head entry price for you. Okay? You got your entry price. You're welcome. Okay? Now it's at 55, so you should be roughly $12 per ounce in profit. You should be in profit. Okay? You should be in profit. Now, what do you do now? Well, maybe, I don't know if I want to say 1740 even. I don't know if I want to say it. Should we say 1740? 44, sorry? I don't know, maybe. Should we just leave it to someone else? So your two prices that it potentially can come down to is 1748 and 1744. Now, what do you do now? Well, I don't know. You can hope and pray it doesn't fall further and it just goes higher, or you can sit and wait like a lion on the savannah in Africa and wait for your price. Then you can wait for your price. We have a bullish bias, we have a double bottom, and we are hoping that this is going to continue. We have a bullish trend at the moment, and at the moment, you are ready, willing, and able. So, I'm going to give you a tip. Who wants my gold secret? I want people in the chat to say yes or no. If you want my gold secret, yes or no. I will come back to this because I want you guys to respond. It takes a couple seconds for you to respond even. And the delay in the show. Please, do you want my secret or not? I'm gonna tell you for free, by the way. But yeah. So I'm gonna do something else in the meantime. Let's do USD CAD for a small minute. USD CAD. I sold. Oh, I forgot. Did I? I didn't tell you guys. I told Hardik. I told Hardik that I sold at. What is it? Say 26 euro. It was just a small entry. Like I can even show you how much it is. It was like how the lot size. It's ridiculously small. And I can't believe the small profits I'm given because I didn't believe in it. So 2607. That's what I got. So 2607. Sieben. Not Sieben. That one. 2607. That's my entry. And then 1.1. That is my entry and I sold. I put my stop loss at 2638, 2638, 38, 38, give or take up here. Yeah, that is textbook. What is the reason, you might ask? Top, low, lower, 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 high. Boom! That is what I teach you every single day. Now, we're going to be lower. I don't know if it's going to work out, but, you know, great. Price coming up to 25.86 would be great for tomorrow. Boom! See you guys later. Hello, Lieutenant. Loopy. Oh, we haven't. Well, we have some new YouTube members today. We have Loopy coming in. Great. Fantastic. We have Gold Secret. Give us your secret. Give us your server. Okay. So, what is my secret? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys. Let's go through that. So, I'm gonna give you the weekly chart. I'm gonna give you the. That maybe didn't work out anyways, doesn't really matter to me. Okay. Come on, bro. Give it to me now. Is this UTC plus 2? Yeah, it is UTC plus 2. Okay, this is downtrend, so I wouldn't buy there anyways. But okay, what do you see on this chart? What do you see on this chart besides being gold 1 hour? I would take away that. That is really important. But yeah, what do you see on this chart? I see the bottom. I see price, maybe range bound, but it has a dip. I see entry. Fridays between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m., which is New York Open. So is that perfect? Of course, it goes down later on. It's not like I'm going to give you whatever. But it does work out in, when was that? Uptrend, 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 uptrend here. Like if you go back here though, and then do the same thing in an uptrend, and they come down to Friday, we come to Friday, and we come down to, well, that didn't work out apparently that day. That was too high anyways. And that was not a good day anyways, and then it didn't work out here. Okay. It's just a theory. The theory is, if it is Friday at around 12, no, around 2 p.m., around New York Open, it dips. I'm not saying it can go lower later. It can, but it has a tendency to dip down. And I use that for entries. Okay? It's not golden, it's not perfect, and it definitely isn't something you should do if you don't know what you're doing. But it can then put you in a much better position. So, if you are coming down to 1736 tomorrow at around 2 p.m., around New York Open, you're welcome. And if New York Open is up here, of course you don't take it. But rule number 1 is support. Rule number 2, time. And rule number 3 is trend. Support. Okay? Maybe it's not a secret, maybe it's just my observation, maybe it's a poor observation, but it has given me way better entries than I could never imagine. Maybe past performance is indicative of future results. but it's what it's if then. You need an uptrend, you need to be at support, and it could be at New York Open. Okay? So I would wait for that. I would not buy now, but I would wait for that. Okay? Great. Boom. Boom. And then there was other requests. There's gold, and we did USD CAD, and I told which price I would sell at USD CAD for tomorrow. New Zealand dollar, we can do New Zealand dollar. Okay, we can do New Zealand dollar coming in. The same thing. I totally screwed up this one yesterday, and I was probably a wreck, and I could have, should have, most have bought this one, but I decided to buy this one, I decided to buy that one, and I wanted that to happen, and it didn't happen, and I was break even here, and I was in loss here, so I just said, bye-bye. Now we are higher. That's the place where I should have been in. The question is, does this agree to my market? No, it doesn't. This is okay, that's why I hold. This is not okay because I then tend to see lower lows. If we are supposed to be higher high, then why shouldn't it just go higher? Why can't it just go higher than if it's supposed to be higher? Okay, so if there's an uptrend, I will then take it then. If that is Friday, Monday, Tuesday, I don't know. I can't tell you. But what I do know, I will take it the first time I see it. For all new traders that is coming in here, I'm looking for dollar bullishness, which we are somehow getting. I want New Zealand to go up, Australian to go up, Euro to go up, Pound to go up in the month of April. If you want to be the journey, please subscribe, give this a like. And we have already started to buy, and we didn't work out so much. Market didn't agree, but okay, we are absolutely carefaced. Maybe not so much, but still, we try to be carefaced. For the pound, that is absolutely falling. I lost money on this one. Okay? It is what it is. I can't take it back. I can't make it better. It is definitely just what it is. Really? That's real like 80s. El Man on the Land, welcome. So I lost on this one. I think I bought somewhere. Let's go to daily. I must have bought in this area here, and I must have bought in this area here. Okay, market didn't agree. Market fell. I took my stop loss and I went away. I'm hurt. I'm angry. Okay, great. Whatever. Go back to the next one. There's other pairs that I want to rise instead, so I will just take it then. Like, don't be chasing the market. Don't be angry at the market. Well, I am angry at the market. I do agree with that, but really, we as traders are only going to trade in the direction when the market agrees with us. Okay? Whenever it agrees with us. So, I'm out. And I couldn't care less. But if we go into this daily sentiment report on retail traders on pound, what do we see? They are mostly buying. This is buying, net long. They're mostly net long. For reasons I don't know. They're even increasing the daily purchase of pound dollar. Please, can somebody tell me why? Okay. So I'm leaving this alone. should have sold it. I could have sold it here. I should have sold it here if I was a seller. But I'm not a seller. I'm a buyer. So I will just say bye-bye. The question then, now it's 8th. It's 8th of April. Am I devastated? No. Because I have, what is it now? 20 days left? No. 27, 14, 21, 22 days left. 22 days left to trade it. And we have gone like 7 days now. 7. It's already traded. I have 22 days left. I have, what is it, 25% left? No, 75% left? Like I have plenty of time left. What is your secret on USD yen? You're such a great man. I will do USD yen. Okay? So, if you were a seller in USD yen, which you should have been, this was the sell price. Today. If you were a seller in USD yen, this is where you sold. And you're wondering, how does this guy get so laser sharp entries? Laser sharp entries. I have entries that is 1 pip drawdown. DD. 1 pip drawdown. You can't even see the tick above it. That's how good entries I got sometimes. Not always, but it's up to there. So, I think USD is going to be weak. I think yen is going to be strong. Or both of them weak, or both of them strong, whatever. So, as long as this is trending, I think this is going to fall. As long as we don't go above 10, 110, that is almost the price, I should have shorted. So I would then say maybe around 1034, no, 1934, 109.56. So somewhere in this area, I would like to short it. Okay? You agree on that? We all agree on that? Because this is not bullish, people. You can't buy this thing. You know? Hello, Karen. Welcome. Very much welcome. And as you can see, most retail traders are shorting these ones. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that. I like that. And there are buyers taking their losses out of the market. But okay, it is what it is. I can't help them out. So if you do know some retail traders that is struggling, let's come to the fundamental side. Let's come to the professional side. And let's come to how we don't care when we lose because we know we're going to be right in the end. I can have 9 losing trades and I couldn't care less because I know the 10th one will make it up. So how is my strategy working, you might ask? I can sell here, I can sell here, and I can sell here. When I win everything from 150 to 500 pips. Or even more per order. So if you add time that like 10, 20, yeah, that is a lot of pips. That's probably around 50. That's around 5 to 10,000. As long as the trend doesn't goes with me. But if it doesn't go with me, I only lose 50. And then this time around, I lost 1.5%. How much is that, you might ask? Not much. At least if you can lose 30% in one trade. I know some of you guys do that. So, that's where I want to go. I can have 9 trades equal to 350 pips in loss. But I will then have winners that is 1,000 or more. Combined orders, not a one order. Okay? Hello Abbas, welcome. I have already done gold and the target for gold is around 1800, 17, 18. So if you want to do gold, go back in this video. I am sorry, but I don't have a lot of time today. Euro, you are asking, is there anyone selling? Is there anyone selling Euro USD today? So I lost some viewers on that. Sorry for that. I will go back to charting. What is your entry, bro? This is my entry. Here's my entry. 1760 around there, give or take. What the price is really is, but down this area. I took some profit on the weekly target here, which was my strategy. All this is extra, free money. Okay. Who is selling your USD? I want to talk to you. I want to hear your voice. I want to see what you're saying. What you're telling me, is that what I hear that you're saying? I want to know. Nobody's selling your USD? Great. Then we are great. I don't know if prices are coming down to 1850, but I would love to have 1850 as my floor tomorrow. Sanjay, shorter New Zealand dollar, will it drop to 60.50? It is not bearish. So I'm thinking 1850, 1860 down to 1820. So if price comes down here, I'm great. That could happen by going higher and then falling hard and then going back up again. Or it can come back tomorrow and then higher. I don't know what's going to happen. I will take it from there. Oh, Powell is talking now. You see? Is he talking now? Has it said something? Powell's speech. Is there anything? Is there anything? Is there anything like today? New York Times. Like this is last 24 hours. Oh, I really want to hear what he's saying, but I don't know. I haven't done the. It's just a pre thing. Okay. So it's how about IMF? Hi, Eric. Thank you. Yeah, I think he finished, but I just wanted. Yeah, I guess he has already. But okay, I don't want to read these things, but I guess I just have to then. Dang it! I will go back and find somewhere I can talk to him. I want to talk to him. So let's see. Why are we not showing up the page today, people? Like, what's wrong with you guys? Fed Powell wants to see a string of months like March jobs report, so we want to see that. Unevenness in recovery is a serious issue. Global vaccinations are risk of progress we are making. There's a risk in the US. If cases move back up here and pick up in cases will slow the recovery. Okay. The market doesn't care too much about the pickup in the cases, but okay, whatever. Will the millions of people finding it hard to go back to the workforce? That is a legitimate concern I also have. But as we saw, 900,000 FP jobs last week. Nah, okay, we're getting there. The post-pandemic economy will be different than the other one before the pandemic. Very true, I agree to that. There will be labor market scaring, but have avoided a great deal of scaring so far. Scarring, sorry. A Fed needs to keep supporting the economy as well. We need upward pressure for upward price pressure is likely, which is inflation, which they want to go higher anyways. Duh. The move higher in prices is likely temporary. Okay, interesting. Then we need to cover for that as well. Fed is monitoring inflation expectations closely. So they're looking into what the banks are thinking for inflation. Read those reports. Chief! So Charles Darkwa, are you selling? Are you selling your USD? I will give you my much needed. I need someone to talk to about your USD, why you're selling it. Anyone selling it? Or just give me a hard time about selling it. I will give you a hard time about selling it. Fed as a tool to combat inflation if needed. Okay, great. Whatever. Not much. I don't want to listen to what the market has already done. It's already done that. I don't care what the thing has done already. Noted, speaking at the MF panel, source said the outlook for economy has brightened as a result of physical support. Well, duh. However, noted that the slower pace of global vaccination and the recent rise in COVID-19 infections in the US are both risks to the recent progress that has been made. He expects the rise in COVID-19 cases to slow the economic recovery. Powell noted that whilst physical and monetary support will have helped the US economy to avoid a lot of scarring, the economy continues to need to support, before adding that the millions of people will have a hard time getting back into the workforce in reference to the strong jobs report in March. Powell said the Fed will need to see a string of months like March report to see progress towards its goal. Meaning, we need to see 900,000 jobs out of NFP for many months to come. So this was just one data point. We're not here to celebrate anything. And also, before that, unemployment is bottom quarter of the... Yeah, so it's still at 20%. So, what is then? Still needs to support the economy. Still going to be okay. Still going to be okay. We're still going to do whatever we want to do. Still. So, no, Eurazi me 1900. Well, risky, but reward is worth it. Yeah, you have a different brain. But okay, what is happening right now? Is this sellable? Can you sell this? No, you cannot sell this thing. Can it fall? Yes, it can, but I want it to take up from here. You can also come back down here to like 1790, which is a bit worse, but still plausible. That's my plan B. So for next week, 1850, 60, or 1820. I will take those prices next week. Euro has been strong, great. The other one that you can also consider is this one up here, but okay, no matter what. We are looking for the upside. We have got our profits this week. We have this week now, 130 pips, great, boom, gotcha. You were there at the weekly FOREX forecast. I will post that on Saturday. Please watch it. Please watch until the end. And please leave a comment in the end, so other people also can join in. I have seen a lot of recent growth, but I'm still far away from those big YouTubers that has like 10K or 4K on their forecast. Why can't we have 4K on viewers on our forecast, which is bringing in money? Eh? Can we do that? Can we like have a goal of that? And then I've given you some discounts lately. Was it just two guys that showed up for that? 2 guys showed up for discounts? Like really, people? You're not like women that wants, discounts and stuff, and you buy because of discount, because you save money because of discounts. Okay. The link in the description though, below. But yeah. At ivanfx.com. What am I going to do next? Aussie. We did Aussie. Still need to wait to higher. Euro. Want to come back. Pound is falling. Whatever. Pound yen. has hit the target. Okay, great. New Zealand dollar. Somebody shorted it. I find that to be no, 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 no. The other thing is, I saw another YouTuber today. I'm not going to mention names, but you will see him when you see him. He said that when you have a top here and it comes back up to the same top, then you look for some kind of reversal here and a break below, then you sell, and then it's going to be instant profit. Yes, it was instant profit this week on New Zealand dollar. But anyone hear a secret? I think that's stupid. Do you know why? Because why can't price just go straight up? I don't know if he's trying to set you up, guys, to fail. But if I learned that strategy today, I would probably fail that strategy. I'm not going to say who it is, because you have to find it out who it is. Because if this is a top and this is a top, why didn't it fall down here? If this was a top and this was a top, why didn't it just fall down there? If this was a top and this was a top, why didn't it fall down there? That is not a strategy, bro. It's not 100%. It might not even be 60%. And what you're looking for then, you're looking for ranges. And I lose money in ranges. I don't want you to trade ranges. I don't want you to win. Okay? Go make a deal about winning instead of losing. Okay? Preach! Mic drop. Something. Wrong. Oh, that fell down. Okay. I can't use that anymore. Mic drop anyways. Now, what else? You're selling gold and silver now. You know, have a good day on that one. I'm not going to charge you for that. Magdi knows who it is. Yeah. You know, I'm not going to out Rainer Theo because he's a large YouTuber. But I've looked into his strategy sometimes. And I'm like, dude, if you don't know what you're doing, this is just terrible advice. Like, if you take, like, what was one of the, well, I guess it was some kind of indicator, some kind of moving averages. If they cross down, you sell or you buy or whatever. So if you sell a little here, yes, you got some profits. But he also sold here, then I guess you got some profits. But does it talk about when it turns back up again? And then he talked one guy about, when Rainers talked one time about ranges. Is this a range for you? Like, that's not where we trade. And this is what I mean. Like, if you're trading a range, here, take this range for example. Okay, you say that's a range. Is that a new lower low? Is that a new higher high? Is that a new lower low? Or is that just a bottom? Is that just a top? Because this is your top. And you're thinking, this is going higher now. Let's take it higher. No, that's not it. I've not done pound Aussie yet. Okay. So, if you want to trade ranges, don't come for me. There's not a lot. I have traded. I think it took me like not years, but it took me a year to test out all the strategies you don't need to take, so you don't lose money. It might be working for them. I'm not taking the credit from them. If they're working fine, if they're making dollars, millions on it, fantastic, great. Take them every single day. But I haven't, so I can't proclaim it. I can't make it mine, and I can't make you do it. I can't have my integrity, my name dragged into something that I clearly do not believe is going to work for you. Okay? Pivot points, support and resistance, sell. Pivot points, support and resistance, sell. Pivot points, support and resistance, sell. What else? I want you guys to win, bro. I want you guys to have happiness. I want you guys to laugh. And today, the laughing and the funny thing is brought to you by Hardik. Hardik sent me a photo today that absolutely killed me. Okay? Let's see. Open in a new page. Okay, let me see if I can find this thing and that thing. People wonder why social distancing will never work in... People are wondering why social distancing will never work in India. People, if your head is so big, or if this, if like, don't force things that's not supposed to be there. And he probably forgot his stop loss somewhere because this dude, really? Do you hear better than doing that? And his ears is actually on the outside, so you will hear less. People, don't stick your head into something you shouldn't. Keep yourself to what you know, right? Okay? That's today's joke. I'm not offending any Indians. You can come for me, but that's just funny. So what's the point of social distancing in the glass if you just stick your head in? Why did you stick your head out the window? For birds, because they will only see through. So, pound Aussie, that's what's happening. Around 1800 and you're good to go. What else? Where are we now? Where are we now? Where are we now? Where now? Now. So, what else we're gonna go? We're gonna go gold. Your Aussie was asked. Eric asked me about that. See if I forgot your last chance. Okay, last chance. Okay, next pair. So I will just silently laugh myself about that one. So we have Euro strong, Aussie strong. So what is going to happen then, bro? Range. Okay, great. Having a good day there. S&P 500, we can do that. Euro Aussie. I'm doing Euro Aussie right now, bro. And there's nothing to trade. Nothing to trade. There's no market. And dude, I saw Fluffy today. I a long time ago when he went to his jokes about going to Saudi Arabia. And then he was picked up at the airport, and then what happened? They were going towards the city. Everything is okay, but then they went off the road, and you know, Saudi Arabia. Fluffy is a bit controversial. Let's say that. And they went into the desert, and he's like, "Am I gonna be killed now?" This is how people are disappearing. Yeah, there's no more gonna be your Aussie. And that's what I fear. You will just find me. You will just find me in the desert, bro. You will just find me in the desert. S&P 500. But that's a funny thing. That's you know, I can just laugh myself away from such things. You just need you need humor. You need humor. Okay, you need humor. Important. It's going higher. It's going higher. Specific is going higher. So what? It will continue higher. So, nothing worries then. Salute. Well, I'm not going to be able to take. So, The trade plan for stock market for April was higher. So it's going higher now. We're expecting it to go higher. And yeah, boom. Take that one in and give it a like. If you bought the stock market, and I told you that it was a good idea to buy the stock market, it's up to you, but you should have. Okay? So... I was close on that one. Sorry. But yeah, there's nothing else to do here. US 30. Supposed to go higher. But yeah, what was the buy price you asked? Buy price was 33.20. And I'm probably buying around 29th. And then buying stuff in April. And they went higher. Came up to profit. Coming down to the buy zone here again. I'll probably buy it again. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. Great. So, apart from that, NASDAQ is going to go higher. Well, it is higher. And then we're looking for prices around 1365, 1360, 13600. Around current price on US 30. And then, yeah, around 4073. Bull trend until 1st of May. Oh, damn. Look at that, bro. Sounds like a good deal then. I've told you guys already. Bull trend until 1st of May. All right. Okay. Then what else is there to do then? You're welcome. You're welcome. Gold. We already done gold. We're looking for a gold. Looking for gold to go higher. Okay, we're looking for price to come back to 1745. We're thinking it's going to go higher. And I said something around New York open tomorrow. It might be a low. If it is a low, I probably will take it. Okay. You're welcome. What else? Is there anything else then? Yeah, okay, great. Will euro dollar drop? No, it will not, bro. Not yet. Not in my books. You can short as much as you want, but I'm not going to guarantee any profits for you. And New Zealand dollar, will that drop? No. Pound Aussie, we already did. Did we do Pound Aussie? We should have done Pound Aussie. I think I did Pound Aussie. Yeah. Look for sells there. Great. Gold, please. We are targeting 1780. Yep. Great. What else? Anything else? I have gone through the whole chat now. If there's Simon Crowell, welcome. If you're still here. Dendy, gold. Yes, UC CAD. Dendat. Good evening. Your dollar. We did that. Good night. And Italian. I'm just going through the whole chat right now. Okay. Is there anyone that has not gotten their things right now? Next pair. I can mention USD NOK for you. It's probably going to fall. So how do you trade this USD NOK thing then? You sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, take profit, and you sell. BS Media Creator. So that's standing for bullshit. Sorry. Welcome. I have not seen you in chat before. Please hang around. Please go back in this video and see if they gave you any sense of reassurance that I am a good trader. Then you should be following me and you should be taking advice from me. And yeah, great, fantastic. There is a $5 offer per month for YouTube members if you want to be notified first. If you want me to look into your comment first. And you also get discounts on my merch. Link in bio. Just saying. What was I supposed to do? GJ. Dang it. Last one. Okay, so you are a trader. You trade and you sell and you sell. Probably no entries if you sold. Are you a buyer? No entries. So this just fell off the moon. What does that mean to you? Well, to me, this means something. And I don't know if this is gonna happen, but it's a likely thing to happen. And then your best next sell zone is up here. But I'm not going to forecast. I think just saying that's great for trading. Like that would be great for my trading plans. That would where I would have a nice technical standpoint to have advantage to sell it again. But it doesn't need to. But okay. I'm not supposed to not say M anymore. Okay, I stop there. I would then say look for any pullbacks tomorrow, see where it ends up in Monday and Tuesday, and then take it from there. If it continues to drop and you don't have any sell entries, you don't have any sell entries, and you don't have any sell entries, you don't have any sell entries, do you think this is a good sell price? I don't know. Maybe not. I want this to go higher before going low. It's just about choosing your market. When this one fell, did you sell here? 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 This was probably the best price to sell, and it didn't work out for you. Then you quit. Then there's nothing else to do here. Then you're gone. But as long as this is now going down, yes, you can sell it. But it doesn't mean it can just go ape down and like that before. And for that matter, whatever that matter is, whatever you are thinking about, take the chances that you have the best percentage or best technical setup. Just because price is low doesn't mean it should be low. Or it can be low. A good entry should be low. Okay, we have 11 likes today. I have 28 viewers right now. I have 20 pips in profit, I think it is, on USD CAD. Probably a bit more. I have USD CAD sells here, and then price is here. I have 35 pips in profit. Congratulations to everyone that took that. I didn't say it loud. I don't want to. Sorry. I don't expect you to have it, but you know, until then, boom. Profits are made. Have a great day. And I'll see you on Saturday for the live Saturday for the weekly forecast. Probably between 4 p.m. and like should I say 4:30 p.m. Like a half an hour before we trade waves. Before we trade waves. So if you are following We Trade Waves, you should also watch me before you watch him and give me the comment before him. Because I see some of you guys are in there commenting on those. I see your comments, you know. I can see you. I see you. Eh? I see you. So, you know. Don't worry. I am happy that you're here. I'm happy that you have not gone anywhere else. And I'm happy that you are here to make this community much better than it is. And I'm trying to be the best for you as well. That also means I also need to take breaks sometimes. And right now, my back is killing me. So, have a great day. Nobody.